Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create headphones sale ad using custom shapes. Open a new canvas for headphone promotions, then draw headphone ear cups using circular custom shapes. Add headband using curved rectangle shapes. Apply gradient overlay for metallic or plastic finish. Insert highlight shapes for reflective effect. Group layers for easy management. Then add background shapes to enhance focus. Now insert text layers for product name and offers. Align shapes and text using smart guides. Apply soft drop shadow for depth. Duplicate accent shape for balance. Now refine gradient stops for realism. Merge layers for clean layout.